Graham and Cindy. Our journey started with a dream Graham had to build up a camper van. He looked all around for one, but to no avail. Eventually he bought a camper trailer, and we had 3 lovely jaunts. But still the dream continued for that van. Then Jaunti arrived. This is our story. This panel off, Graham.
Okay, cool. You can see there was insulation in here. But
Dirty.
It's not necessarily right.
Yeah, it's very dirty.
Check it out.
But yes, first panel off. The start of bigger things.
The start of bigger things. The start of the dreams come true.
Good, eh? Okay, so there's our bed being put together. Yeah, it's looking good, the whole van.
See, I'm going to put a carpet on here.
Underneath, yes, for the back.
Just countersunk all the screws so that you don't have bumps here.
Oh, okay.
It should be quite smooth. That's what you do, and you can go panning ways also.
Okay, there. Yes.
No, don't pan that.
Okay, wait. There.
This is the cupboard that we have with the nice famous name on it.
Yeah.
We flip it up, and what I've done is I've put these things on.
Yes.
One there, and one over there.
Yes.
So that it doesn't work with just one, but 2 will hold it down, will hold it up.
Yeah.
Like that. So I've done this cupboard. That's our groceries, by the way, breakfast and stuff.
Where did we get those?
And what we did was we did this on the other one. This is the one above the stove. Be careful now, it's full of dust and everything, and glasses and everything. But I'm busy putting this button in here as well, which if you have a look up here, you can see that as you press it, it comes out. So a slot must be made in the cupboard, which I'm busy with now. But what I wanted to show is I've put these here as well. There's one up there.
It looks very nice.
And there's another one there. So it hooks it up like that. I don't.
Little handles on the doors. You can see there. No, I like that one. It's got silver around. But then there's that one. And Graham's, can you see it? Graham's put red because there's a reason. The red is it's the first aid box. So it's the red first aid box. Anyway, I'll get used to it.
A chai for you, and I'll have my cappuccino on the other side in big mugs. We've got these little hearts that are over there, and you go up the pole, and there's a support up there. So 2 legs. Why I've done it like that is so that you can slip past you quite easily without bumping your leg. You don't bump everything over, so that's nice like that.
So here Graham's just put an end onto this piece of wood to finish the cupboard off. He's gluing it and he sanded it on top. He's going to paint it all white to match the cupboard.
Plug the hole.
Plug the hole. Ah, okay. And then he
sand this all nice and smooth here and round, and this way round. It's after it's dried.
Yes.
Join is here.
Ah, okay.
So this will come off. And I'll sand that, sand this.
And point.
So it's beveled.
Yes.
All the way around.
Okay, nice.
So that my lady friend doesn't hurt herself and have to use another plaster.
And show the little thing that we use, the same as the kitchen ones. What's that little thing?
This little thing here is, I can't turn it now, but it's a swivel that closes the door. I don't want to damage it with the clamp here.
Okay.
Maybe if I do that.
No, don't, babes.
Maybe if I do that, you can see how
it swivels, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so that will keep the cupboard closed.
Yeah, this is going to be oiled and this is going to be painted white.
Yeah, perfect.
Maybe I should make it black. No. They car washes as well. Yeah, their cars wash their
Not bad, eh?
Nice wash and everything. The van is 50 bucks. So whenever we're there, we just have it washed.
We have to work to supply Jaunti's trips, as we've told you before. So here's another job that he's doing.
This is a couple of banner signs, on show signs. They call them bags. So this is a meter by 700 wide. We're just printing the whole thing. So it looks like that. It's two colours, but this is the first colour.
Okay.
It's a bag, it gets folded here.
Yeah. Okay.
Like that. And sewn together.
Yeah.
So that they can just put it on stakes. It's
Yes.
like a frame that they use.
Okay.
So yeah, we got intro
How many?
going here.
Yeah, intro and they in Benoni.
Yep.
How many how many cases are you doing, or whatever you
And
call
then
these?
one's 120.
Okay.